If you guys have been following me for quite some time now, kabalo mo nga, I have several cameras nga akong ginagamit since I started this documenting career.
The very first camera nga akong ginagamit was the camera of this iPad. Now, this iPad used to belong sa akong mama pero wala na niya ginagamit, and so ako ang nagagamit at that time, and I ended up taking few videos from this device. Yeah, nakahimo og mga few YouTube videos. Actually, katong mga first videos na ako was made from this device. The time when I loved making videos, nangayo ko camera sa akong parents. That was, I think, 6 years ago. 6 years ago or 7 years ago. Luckily, gihatag ni Papa ang iyahang daan nga digital camera sa ako. So kada to ako na ang nagagamit. Now, this is the Panasonic Lumix LX5, and module niya akong pinaka-first nga digital camera, nga kanang camera gyud. And I've made memorable videos ani, most especially katong junior high school life na ako. Now, this is a special camera para sa ako because I used my own savings para mapalit lang ning camera. I bought this for around 2,500 pesos online, and at that time mahal jud kayo siya para sa ako because malamang I was young, dumb, broke high school kids. But if you compare this sa laing cameras, this was way cheaper than the others. Now, this one is the best camera gear I have since I started this whole YouTube or documenting career. Sa pila ka years nga nangayo ko camera sa akong parents, mao jud ni ang pinaka-peak na moment because finally gipalitan ko sa akong dream camera. Since I got my hands into this camera, I got more addicted sa pag-create, sa paghimog video, sa pag-document. It's too good. It's too clear, too big, and it's too perfect. Then I came to realize nga lisod magsigig dala og ing-ani kadako nga camera every day to capture moments. Also, lisod magsigig taod sa lens and then magbutang sa microphone, and so much hassle jud. Now, I love to use my DSLR like when it comes to making in-depth na mga videos, pero sa mga quick real-time actions or events, wala na ko'y time or wala na ko'y oras for any setups. But then there's this camera nga nakita na ako sa Facebook Marketplace. This is the Canon SX610 HS, a 7-year-old camera, but it's not that old. And I found this camera listed sa Facebook Marketplace for only 5,000 pesos. Then I browsed the internet and looked for its specs, and surprisingly, this camera can shoot a decent video for a very decent price. And I said to myself, kailangan ko ni. And just like that, I messaged the seller, directly negotiated for a much cheaper price, and I got 1,000 less from what she's asking for. Now this camera shoots 1080p at 30 frames per second. Well, it performs okay. It performs okay in low light situation, and it's very convenient. Kaya pwede ra siya isulod sa bulsa. And when you want to take a video, then take it out from your pocket, and in a second, you're ready to go. Alright, so today, buhatan na to comprehensive review ang kaninga camera. Check na to kung unsay ang quality sa naihayag and kanang low light. Let's go. Patay net, tayo din net. Ha? Patay din.
Okay, next is left. Lagay ang left. One. Six.
Unsa may video na ko ano eh?
Okay, so yan lang muna for today.
Now, it's already 1 AM and sundo na ko kung ate. Gikan siya nilaag.
Gapo, dapat patana na binana nindot na.